Hello mga kapatid lovers. Ayan ang ulam namin for today. Ang daming fish. Yan o, lalaki ng isda. Grabe.
Isda pero butas na.
Puro mga butas na. Missy, did you eat like this fish? Missy, you eat like this fish?
What?
You eat like that fish?
Yeah, this good.
Good. Hey, good this one.
Like this,
Hey, have.
you fish, you cut like this.
Hey, have.
Morte mo naman, itim-itim mo na.
Hindi kasi ano yung bawal sa
Kaliskis?
70 Adventist.
Yung kaliskis?
Oo. Good like that.
Like this.
Ito yung inihaw na may
Outs.
Ito
If
sausawan na
nothing
daw.
is not good for you, but have the one is like this out, and then
This one, sir.
Okay. So very big. You picture.
For the first time in my life.
Eating too much. Oh my goodness. Hindi pa rin tayo magaling.
So test.
Last time I buy like this, but it's small. They just
Kain na. Pinantay nyo, tapos ang mag-video. Kain na tayo. Ito masarap eh.
nihaw yan.
Yung pinarito matabang.
Walang lasa.
Ano kasi siya?
Naman kaiyak yun.
Puta na yun. Ang naiinis ako pagka ganyan. Ay, nakakarindi. Yung matandang babae, naririndi na rin. Sakit daw sa tayo niya. Gamin na lang ng ano.
Ng lemon.
Ng lemon.
Biglang naglaro.
That rice good, Missy.
Like very good.
That rice good. They take with the spoon, not hand. You eat there. Missy. Wait for that.